What kind of custom area rugs does Creative Floors offer? That is a wonderful question. We have so many choices throughout our showroom of the type of carpets you can buy. Anything in here, we can have it made into an area rug for you. There's wonderful patterns like animal print that can be bound. We have regular patterns. And the beauty of this program is you can get a carpet like this, and you have so many color options available to you, and you can make it in any size that you want. You can make runners, you can make, area rugs for bedrooms, bathrooms, anywhere. And the difference we can do, which is nice, we can have these options available to you, is you can have a tape binding put on, or you can have what's called serging, or we can just have it bound. And again, you have so many binding options available. You can just have simple cloth binding put on it. You can have it serged. You can have a fabric binder put on. And with the fabric binding, you can have an option of all these different colors. Now, how the program works is if you order in a piece of carpet, and whether it's this or any other style we have throughout the showroom, you bring in the measurements of what you want made, and then we order in the carpet, and then we have it sent to our binder, and the binder will put on any of these applications as far as binding on the edges. It takes probably about 3 weeks in total to get the carpet in, have it sent out to the binder, and have it brought back. But you have a lot of options to do throughout the showroom, whether you want just a regular textured carpet or something with a lot of pattern. You have a lot of options, and we can utilize all the carpet pretty much out of that one piece and create different size rugs. Like for instance, if you wanted a 5x8, we'll make a 5x8 area rug out of like a 12x5, because carpet comes 12 feet wide. So you have that 4x5 left over, and we can create another rug. Maybe you want an area rug for your foyer or something. So we can get really 2 area rugs out of one piece. So it's more bang for your buck. So it's a really great option to come in if you're looking for an area rug, to take advantage of our huge selection throughout the showroom. And also we can guide you to what's popular and all the different color options and explain the program to you further.